Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 mic not working, full mic troubleshooting and setting guide. Fix 1 is, make sure the mic is not muted. Check the mute switch on the headset, then move the switch to the unmuted position. Test the microphone again. Second fix is, check the cable connection. Disconnect the headset cable, plug it back in firmly. If using a PC, make sure the mic connected is connector correctly. Then test the headset on another device. Third fix is, set Arctis Nova 1 as the default microphone. Open setting, then system, then sound. Under input, select SteelSeries Arctic Nova 1. Set it as the default recording device, then speak into the mic and run a microphone test. Fix fourth is, allow microphone access in Windows. Open setting, then privacy and security, then microphone. Turn on microphone access. Allow apps like Discord, Zoom and games to use the microphone. Restart the app and test the mic. Thanks for watching.